Welcome back everyone to A1 Diaries. Here you can see the finished result on our back patio and path. On this property, as you can tell, it's got the Polaris edging, pearl quartz in the centre, recessed manhole covers so that they're matching at the surface. Really nice finish, nice colour coordination, laid on a base of asphalt as you've seen in the previous videos. And if you're following down, we'll come out to the front where you'll see we've got a brick edge to give it an extra design. We've also put a little design around this little small tree just to give it a bit more prevalence in the garden. Then we go out to the front gate. So that's the finished project. That's something for your viewers watching at home to give you ideas how you can change your patios and your paths. Please click the like button below if you've enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time.